We should go.
We're in the middle of a game, bro.
Hey, come on, John Wayne, ease up.
Who's next?
Angelica. Definitely Angelica.
No, I'm down to go.
Okay. Truth or dare, bitch.
You seem like a dare guy. Fact.
Might got pussy if you're not, so.
Truth.
Let's see. Where's the craziest place you've ever had sex?
My girlfriend's place, Christmas Day.
Ooh.
So, I bought this Lego set for her brother that he really wanted. And as soon as her parents left, clothes are flying across the room. And then she stops with this freaked out look on her face. Like most girls, she thought my penis was too big. But then she grabs the Lego set and I'm standing there with a confused chub. After a few moments, she turns around in this ta-da moment, holding what she then describes as a loading dock for my penis. Luckily, the girth didn't collapse it. Just slip it in, she said. It will leave just enough exposed for you to penetrate me without hurting me. Predictably, it wouldn't go in because even the tip was too big, so I asked for some baby oil. She rushes in with some, I can't believe it's not butter, and she starts jamming it down my crotch. Finally, we're going at it. At first the jamming of the Legos, collapsing together was a bit too distracting, but soon enough, we were rolling on the floor like wild animals. I am now beyond the point of no return when suddenly, boom, the front door swings wide open. It's her little brother. I explode, and so do the Legos. Pieces are flying everywhere, one of which jams inside his left eye. The parents are now there screaming. My girl is screaming, and I'm screaming. The doctor said the scratches on his eye were superficial, so he turned out all right, but doesn't like to play with Legos anymore.
Shit.
Bullshit. No fucking way that's true. It's not even scientifically possible.
Kick back, dude. It's just a game.
Yeah. Truth or dare, not big fucking liar dare. He's a fucking liar.